Warning! I'm gonna be criminally serially bitch. So you guys think the bad shit? Shut the fuck up!
But sometimes the reactions get a little bit too real. Welcome back to the channel. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, to a part 2 of a nasty situation. As you can see on the screen, we got the 5th quarter matchup between Mississippi Valley and Alcorn State University. If you missed the zero, most definitely, you need to go back a video. But enough of it. If you enjoy great music as well as raw and unfiltered content, man, I ask that you show your boy some love and drop your boy a like, a comment, and go ahead and sub up for your guy. You know what I'm saying? And drop that subscribe. You dig? But enough wasting time, dog. Let's go ahead and jump into this video and see what y'all got going. We're starting out with Alcorn. Let's get it. B-Tone's definitely not playing no games. Everybody else need to turn it up though, no cap. Solid. Very, very solid arrangement. Shout out to Alcorn State University for that smoke. Now, I will say, I feel like y'all played it a little safe. You know what I'm saying? Pretty sure everybody in the marching band community would have for sure agree that, my nigga, we've heard that song 50 billion times. I'm just wondering, I mean, y'all couldn't play nothing else, bruh? You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all couldn't write no other song in the world, bruh. Like, y'all couldn't be creative at all. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's just me. But hey, let's see what Mississippi Valley got. Mellophones? I don't know what the hell. Y'all listen closely. We about to get to the next round, but I will say this. Shout out to Mississippi Valley for sure. You know what I'm saying? I feel like y'all sound quality has come a long way since y'all have come back on the grid. Now, with that being said, the song that I just heard, it wasn't bad. No cap. In my opinion, it wasn't bad. But now, with that being said, I mean, it wasn't great. You know what I'm saying? Then you listen back to what Alcorn played. You already heard what the fuck I said about that shit. I just feel like that shit is old as somebody's great grandma or some shit. Like, but you can't ignore that they definitely had better sound quality. Like in their arrangement versus what Mississippi Valley did, in my opinion, I feel like Alcorn sounded way better when they played. You know what I'm saying? So for their first round, with that being said, I'm gonna go with Alcorn. Let's get it. I could be tripping. I just got a quick question for a second. All right, so after I just said what I said about the first song for Alcorn, is this another recyclable? You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know why, but it just feel like I heard y'all play this before also. And if that's the case, I'm really like, this shit started to piss me out because it's like, bro, y'all in the fifth. I don't know if y'all playing this because y'all going against Mississippi Valley. Maybe y'all trying to save y'all music for somebody else, maybe next week or beyond. But it's just like, god damn, bro. How often do y'all write like the arrangers at these schools? How fucking often do y'all write new music, bro? You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'm just spoiled. Don't crucify me, bro. I'm spoiled. You know what I'm saying? During my time frame, I had the opportunity to be under people like Brian Simmons and List goes on, you know what I'm saying? The Brian Simmons, you know, he said he was throwing out hits week after week after week after week. No cap. It was no, oh yeah, is Southern gonna play some new shit? Yes, we were. No cap. It's gonna be some fire too. It's gonna be some fire. But enough of that, bro. I just wanted to ask that question. Please drop that in the comments, bro. I just gotta know, is this another recyclable? Cause something is telling me it is. I just feel like I heard y'all play this before. And it's just like, God damn, can we get some new material, please? Hold on, bro. What y'all got going, bro? This shit better not be no recyclable for real now. Cause y'all playing it like that. Nope. You can't be doing that. Trumpet, what the fuck? Y'all might as well cut this hoe off right now. Yeah, bro, that wasn't it, bro. Turn me up. Yeah. What? Don't do that though, Mello. Don't do that shit. Y'all gotta clean that up. I ain't gonna lie, I just heard a whole lot of shit in between the cracks and shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Most definitely. I will be taking that over that shit Alcorn just played. Most definitely. You know what I'm saying? I'm just keeping it a stack. We 1-1 right now. At this point, bro, Alcorn, this shit I be talking about, bro. Listen, I don't know if those two songs were recyclables. If I had to roll the dice, I think they were. So with that being said, bro, y'all gonna kick yourself in the ass. If Mississippi Valley fuck around, y'all done slip on their ass, they come in this motherfucker, play some shit. We like, hold on, wait. That shit actually kind of sound kind of good. And then now y'all looking stupid. Because to be honest with you, they already got more sound than y'all. Like, that's already been proven from the first song. In the zero, for real. If you're gonna be honest, they got way more sound than y'all. So all it really is gonna take is for them to play some better arrangements, clean it up, you know what I'm saying? Like, just do all the small shit, and bro, Alcorn, y'all will be finished. So, and that be the shit I be talking about, bro. I don't know who's sleeping on who right now or who chose to sleep on this day But this would be the day your ass would get handed to you if y'all don't get y'all shit together. Let's go. What y'all finna play now? What y'all finna play now? Do y'all hear this fucking mellow phone, bruh? No, fuck that. Do y'all hear this fucking flugelhorn, bruh? Bruh, nah, bruh. This shit gotta stop. This shit gotta stop, gang. Cause this is a good ass song selection. Y'all was literally about to shit on me just now with the song selection. Like from what I just said. But no, you got a fucking bumblebee ass mellophone. Just wait on it. It's coming. That might have some Casamigos before he came in the motherfucking game. Shit. I fuck with that tuba part, by the way. Hey, yeah, most definitely. I'm fucking with that. B-Tones held down every single last bit of that piece. Tubas had that motherfucker feeling funky. You know what I'm saying? Bro, hey, I was fucking with that. Minus the little mishap at the beginning with the mellows. I don't know what the hell they had going. Oh! But besides that, hey, that's a solid piece, bro. What y'all got, Mississippi Valley? Y'all can't play no bullshit for that, bro. That, hey. Trumpets, y'all smack that hoe, but Mellows, what the fuck are y'all doing? Shout out to my nigga Keandre. Pum 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 pum. Nope.
Nope.
Hell no. Hey, run that hoe back. That shit sound like hot bagabits. Bagabits. Oh, wait, hold on. Listen for the mellows, gang.
What?
Bruh, get these niggas at the stand now!
What the fuck?
Oh, these niggas. Hey, bruh, hey, bruh, I'm not playing right now when I say, bruh, y'all are destroying. Bro, y'all are destroying this piece. And another thing, when the fuck did Mr. Barnes take his jacket off, bro? He must was feeling that bitch. I'm trying to see how the hell you feeling this motherfucker with the mellow sounding like flugelhorns in this bitch. Let's run it back one more time, and I'm done. This when things get a little odd, you know what I'm saying? Trump is holding it down. Am I taking his He feeling that motherfucker. Hey, hold on. You gotta zoom in on bro. Hold on. Matter of fact, let's rewind just a little bit. We gotta bro is feeling this shit. I want y'all to pay attention to the scene, but really listen to the mellophones. Do both of those things at one time, and y'all gonna see why the hell I was just laughing. That might Mr. Barnes start feeling that bit. Here we go. Here we go. That might turned into real quick on the nigga ass, fool. Oh, nah, hell nah. Hell nah. Oh, nah, bro. Bro was feeling that bit, bro.
What? What the fuck?
Mellow. Thank you, trumpets. Thank you. Huh? By the way, Alcorn has this round. Y'all can cut this motherfucker off at this point. I ain't gonna lie. 2-1. 2-1. Oh, nah. This bit over with. It's over with. I ain't gonna lie. That was a situation where I didn't think shit was gonna get worse, but then motherfucker got worse. Motherfucker got worse real quick. I ain't gonna lie. 2-1. Goddamn. That was rough. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It sound like mellophones on both sides. It's like the battle of the cheeks.
Oh!
Like the battle of the ass. Like y'all ever been in the club and y'all just seen two bitches just lit? You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying not to say those words. Two women dancing very provocatively on each other, shaking ass.
Oh!
That's what this shit sound like. When I'm listening to both of these fucking mellophones, bro, it sound like cheeks talking. Just cheeks talking.
Oh!
But y'all gotta turn it up, bro. This shit, y'all, it's like I can't even enjoy none of the music because it's just like you got both mellophone sections just ruining the pieces on both sides. Shit. Solid. What y'all got? Who that is? Tyler? Tyler on the box? Turn me up. My nigga Tyler then wrote his own version of motherfucking In the Ghetto. God damn. Jeez. Hold on, what the fuck? God damn. Hey, hold on. This shit sound good, man. Hold on. Hey, this shit sound kind of hard. Hold on, let me run this bitch back a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta hear this motherfucker again. Reason being, bro, I only heard 2 In the Ghettos in my whole life, bro. And that's the motherfucker, the original from the Norfolk State University. And the one I played in high school. With bro that's on the stand right now. We both played this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, turn me up. Damn, what wins? What the fuck?
What? What the fuck?
Woodwinds can't get right. What the fuck are y'all doing?
Huh?
Bro, I was enjoying the piece and the trumpet just played the loudest wrong note I've heard all night. I ain't gonna lie, that shit was wrong as hell. It was loud though. Tyler, I ain't gonna lie, bro. They should have put that guy. Hey, bro, Tyler, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You my nigga fool, bro. They shouldn't have put the camera on you like that, gang. I ain't gonna lie, Trick ass looking like he motherfucking controlling some puppies in this bitch. Hell no. The fuck? Mello, come on, bro.
Ooh, wee.
Okay, I ain't gonna lie. Even though it was a whole, it was some questionable areas in that motherfucking piece. You know what I'm saying? As far as like execution is concerned, but overall, I feel like I enjoyed that piece more than the shit Alcorn just played. Like the Alcorn, that shit that y'all played was straight. But the shit that Mississippi Valley just played, again, this is what I was saying earlier. They got more sound than y'all, dog. They got it. They got it. It's there. All it's gonna take is for them to really hit y'all ass upside the head with a real haymaker for real. And then y'all gonna be looking like y'all look right now in this round. You know what I'm saying? Cause now, shit, what I said the score was 2-1. Now it's 2-2. Damn. What y'all finna do? It's 2-2. I ain't gonna lie. To make it interesting, fuck it. 2-2. Hey, y'all probably should have played this last round. I'm fucking with this. Turn me up. Yeah, they be hard. They be hard. Trumpy, you missed the shit out that motherfucker, but I'm not finna rewind it. I'm fucking with this song. I'm trying to see what it's finna do. No cap. What we finna do, Valley? What we finna do? That was a banger. That was a banger. That was a banger. What y'all finna do? Again, Melo's cheeking. Just cheeking.
What the fuck?
Bro, who the fuck is this still playing up on trumpet, bro? God damn, you don't hear yourself playing up by yourself, gang. Are you fucking deaf? Like, god damn, bro. I'm sitting here like, bro, how long is this nigga really finna keep playing up for? Like, fuck. That shit is so irritating, bro. It's like low-key retarded, too. Like, why the fuck are you still playing up for? Damn, like that shit is irritating, bro. Like real shit.
Nope.
That wasn't it. It's 3-2. Most definitely. It's 3 to motherfucking 2, bro. All corners up. Hell no. That shit was garbage. And it looked like y'all finna play another song. Let you know right now. Y'all know the rule on this channel. If anybody that don't know the rule, hey, Army, let them know in the comments. Hey, listen, bro. If the song you just played was garbage, you playing a second song, it's a waste of time. It's a waste of lip, because you ain't getting no points for it. Just keeping it a stack, bro. There's no way anybody heard what niggas just played and was just like, yep, it's time for a second song. Nope, it's time to put the hats on. It's time to dip. It looked like, based on the timing, I don't know if Alcorn finna play again, but we finna see what's up. 3-2 game. 3-2.
Huh?
Yeah, wrap it up. Hey, wrap this shit up. Yeah, Alcorn must have knew they won or some shit, because even that was ass. Like, this is a classic. I'm glad y'all ended it on a strong note. Because, yeah, them two songs y'all just played before this wasn't it. That wasn't it, bro. That first shit, that shit was horrific. And then you got I Got the Power. Bro, that shit belongs in a football game. That's it. Not in no zero. And but for damn Skippy, ain't supposed to be in no goddamn fifth. Turn me up, though. Turn me up. B-Tone, what the fuck? Them niggas just died. Damn. Well, there we have it. Want to send a huge shout out to both organizations, definitely, for having a great performance, for sure. Again, I want to send a shout out to Mississippi Valley for sure continuing to take the right steps forward. As far as like developing the organization, developing the sound, just pretty much everything from top to bottom, for real. Developing the numbers, shit, everything. You know, I know to the masses, everything ain't perfect right now. You know, it's probably not where y'all want to be, but hey, when y'all get to where y'all want to be, y'all gonna be able to look on days like this and see where y'all grew and how did y'all get there, for real. You know what I'm saying? And shit, enjoy the grind, bro. Real shit. Enjoy the grind, bro. This shit, man, becoming like somebody that's in the conversation, or like somebody that's on top or close to the top or whatever you want to call it, bro, this shit does not take one semester, 1 year, 2 years. Like, no, bro. Like, the people that we have at the top of the conversations, usually, bro, they've been on the top for years, centuries. You know what I'm saying? The list goes on. So it's like, bro, y'all have to get y'all mindset on how y'all finna do that. All these numbers, all this sound, all of this shit, how long can y'all keep it? You know what I'm saying? What y'all gonna do to keep it? What y'all gonna do to make sure these folks making the grades to stay in school? What y'all gonna do to actually get these folks to graduate, bro? The whole 9 for real. Man, y'all focus on this shit, bro. Y'all sold. You know what I'm saying? Plus, bro, we've already seen the work done to Talladega, you know what I'm saying? Thanks to Mr. Buns for real. So I honestly have all the confidence that he gonna do the same thing. And Mississippi Valley is gonna be a Mississippi Valley we haven't seen since probably in the 90s, probably. You know what I'm saying? That's the last time I heard people really just saying like, oh shit, Valley going stupid type shit. So definitely can't wait to see it, bro. No cap. Real shit. Also, shout out to Alcorn for the motherfucking win. If you didn't catch my score, 3-2. Most definitely, bro. Y'all earned it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all definitely could be doing some shit in that motherfucking band room too, though. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? It was just too many moments, them motherfucking mellophones. Them niggas could have sold y'all the whole battle. Real shit. Just from simply just sticking out and not knowing that they sticking out like a sore fucking thumb. You know what I'm saying? You really got lucky because Mississippi Valley, they had the same issue, but worse.
Oh!
You know what I'm saying? But enough of that, bro. Y'all got my score. That's all I really need to say after that. You know what I'm saying? I really want to hear what y'all got to say for real. Drop in the comments who y'all think got the dub for real. And man, we're going to get to the next video. I'm going to need you to drop a like, a comment. You already know, go ahead and drop that subscribe. Yes, sir. With that being said, dog, I appreciate y'all if y'all still here, man. I'm going to get it with y'all on the next episode of Real Reactions. The deuces.